welcome to my Sunday from. So today I ordered restock in groceries, so let's just see what's in here in this little package. So here's my feminine hygiene, and I spent like $8. It's like 7 something with a coupon, and you get like a certain amount of each kind, and that's why I like it. It's Tampax Pearl, and I also got this ginger. I got this for $1 something. It's by the Holly Tree, so I'm pretty excited about this one, this purchase, because usually I pay like $3 to $5 for ginger, and I love ginger, especially since I do vocals. I can't live without ginger. And this one is a big one. See what's in here. Oh, my seasoning got ruined. So this was my taco seasoning, and it got ruined. And then, oh man, it spilled. And it got all over my ramen. So I'm gonna be very, very careful, because it's all over my stuff. So here's my lemonade drink mix that I get for like $2 something. I have my plates. I get these for $3.99. Sometimes they have a coupon, but I think I just paid the $3.99. But you get a little discount with subscribe and save some of these items. So I'm gonna have to wipe all of this down. And then I got icing by Duncan Hines. And this was, I think this was like $1 something. It's like strawberries and cream. So this is a good Valentine's icing. And then I got this cake mix. This is another good thing for like Valentine's. It's red velvet, so it's like a chocolate flavored cake, and it's like a cute little cocoa reddish hue. And of course I got my ramen, but I think that's really gross right now. And let's see, I also have ketchup in here. This is 100% natural tomato ketchup. And garlic powder. This one is a garlic powder that's a little bit thicker than the garlic powder I bought. The one that I bought is imported, and it's like literally powder, and this one's a little bit more granulated, so I got this one to try it out. And I think that's it. Yeah, this ramen is demolished. Look at that. I'm sure on the other side it's fine, but I got this whole pack for like $6. Okay, and then this package is, I don't know what's in here, but it's like cold food. So I have the tiniest tomato in the world, and then I bought these sugars, and the tomato was like 50 cents. Dark brown sugar and powdered sugar, and both of these are like under $2 each. This is like $1.50 each. And then of course they give me a huge onion, but to be honest, I don't really like tomato. I love onion. And this was also like around 50. It was like 63 cents. And then I got these flour tortillas, 12. These are by Chi-Chi's. I think I wanted the whole wheat ones, but this is fine. They taste good. And then I got this beans. I thought it was a bigger can. No, it's just a pound of beans, and it's like steakhouse recipe, and I got it for like 88 cents. Let's see what's in here. And here I have eggs. These are the eggs. I think you guys wanted to see the eggs, so I'll go ahead and show you egg. These are eggs. They're not cracked. None of them are cracked. And these are about $2.99 for 12 brown eggs. I also got a pound of ground turkey so I can make burgers or meatballs or taco or whatever I want. And then I got cheese, and this cheese is like $1.99. So it's like 8 ounces, half a pound. And I got this soy chorizo, which I always buy, and it's good. You can put them in burritos, in your beans, in your rice. I think I want to show you how to make that recipe, but maybe next month. This is, like I said, soy chorizo, and this is $1 something. It's under $2. These I got for $1, the Bar S Franks. These are the regular size ones, 12 ounces. And then I got my drumsticks, so I can portion these out in like 4. This was about, it says 1.25 pounds for like $3 or so. Under $5 definitely. And then I got my milk. This is reduced fat milk. I usually like skim milk, but I have this thing where my skin needs like collagen, and I think this one is reduced fat. It's not non-fat, so it has some collagen still in it, and that's why I like it. But if you like my haul, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. My son did from. Bye bye.